Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to ICP update today. If everything goes fine, if everything goes perfectly well, I do expect ICP to literally touch $15.2. So that's going to be nearly a move up of 58% pump to the upside that I'm looking forward to. Previously, the video got a lot of appreciation, and I think first of all, click the top right link of this video to get into Discord as well. And I've talked about ICP and in a little bit of a detailed manner in the last video, and I can show you that what I was talking about is that you have a very clear buyers of ICP. I saw so many people buying ICP right over there. This was the biggest ever purchase that I've ever seen on ICP, literally ever since it was launched on Binance. And secondly is that we broke above and we made a very nice good bullish closing right there. So it took 3 to 4 days of consolidation to go to the downside. You've done that, and I personally believe that this has been a very good retest here. Now there are chances where you may still drop down to take this stop loss, because it's pretty obvious that a lot of people are going to set their stop loss right over here. But if the coin is very bullish, it may pump. There's no guarantees of stop hunts, because what it has done is pretty great. In the last video, I've actually given you the TA that the retest is going to happen down at $8.8. We literally touched it, and we just went all the way down to 8.5, and then literally bounced off here. There was a really good buying right over there, and we've seen some buyers stepping in and pushing the prices higher. And there was a 25% move yesterday. I was thinking of buying ICP for trading. I do have ICPs for long term, but for trading I thought I'm gonna get it, but I didn't get it eventually, and 24% was gone. Now here's the thing, we do have a break, I guess. So on the 4-hour time frame, we have this little bit of resistance that has been broken right over there. So probably we might be looking for a move up like this, maybe come down a little bit in the future, and then probably pump all the way up to 11.822 and maybe take this stop loss one more time. I do think that something is going to happen and actually just come up to 15.227. Now here's the thing, if you ever see ICP coming all the way down to 6.989, I think you invalidate the pattern and invalidate 15.227. This is officially right in play. That's all I can say. It's a pattern. I've noticed you've broken above the pattern. You don't have any reasons to be bearish or anything like that. I think it's perfectly fine to me. The EMAs are holding as well. You can see it literally jumped off that 55 EMA. So it's pretty good. This is really positive on every single angle that I can probably look at. So that's it for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.